Ever wondered why most airplanes are painted white? It's not just about looks, it's science and safety. White reflects sunlight, keeping the cabin cooler and reducing heat stress on the aircraft's structure. Cracks, dents, and leaks are easier to spot against a white background, crucial for safety checks. White paint also fades slower than colors, cutting maintenance costs for airlines. So, the white paint isn't just tradition, it's efficiency and safety combined. And share if you learned something new with Silver Frames Official.